Alright, my peeps, back. And today I switched up my lens. So y'all are probably used to me shooting with the 50mm, but today I got in my 210 zoom lens. I haven't shot with this one in a while, so that's what I kind of wanted to do today. During the daytime, like I used to use this lens all the time, but I really haven't taken it out ever since I got that 50mm. And I don't know, after not using this lens for a long time, it's weird being able to zoom in and out. My f-stop obviously has to be higher than a 1.8 because it doesn't go down that low, which I think is kind of useful to me because it's going to let most, I wouldn't say I'm very good at getting pictures with a higher aperture, but with this lens it's definitely something that I could work on. Alright, so we made it to the spot. There's still a few people over at the actual waterfall, but I'm kind of off the trail a little bit, and I wanted to kind of point out some of the differences that I've already noticed with shooting with this zoom lens for a little bit. So for those of you that don't know, this is my 50mm 1.8 prime lens. I've used this lens in almost every single video that I have posted right now, but yeah, I love this lens. One thing that I really do like about this lens is being able to shoot at night and still getting crisp, like not grainy photos. Shooting in darker areas isn't really a struggle for this lens, but for this lens goes down to 4.5. I have tried using this lens at night, and it's just, you have to be in pretty well lit areas, which if you're, say, downtown somewhere, you're not always going to get an area like that. Now I'm sure it just depends on location, but for most instances I'd say that this is not a very good lens for night, which is what I shoot a lot. Now for settings like this, where it's middle of the day, you're getting pretty good lighting, and in the area that I'm at, you're getting a lot of shadows as well. This lens is pretty good, and obviously you have the ability to zoom in and out. I mean, I like it. I think it's a solid lens. Alright peeps, so that's probably gonna wrap up the video. I mean, it was kind of weird using that lens after a long time of not using it. Like I said, I've been using my 50mm, but I felt like it went pretty good. I think I got some good shots. I also like the ability of being able to zoom. Let me know if you want to see me use this lens again or bust out the wide lens. I don't know, but it won't be the last time I use this lens. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like some of the pictures I got, make sure to leave me a like, subscribe while you're at it, and I will see you guys in the next one.